Hi everyone, I am Nimisha, and here is the roundup of all the books that I read in the month of August. So, the first book that I've read is Strange Pictures by Yuketsu, and it is a murder mystery where the victim has left behind a set of hand drawn pictures. And on the surface, these pictures are very weird and eerie, but they hide a bigger motive. And it is absolutely mind blowing book that I've read, and it kept me up at night. And I finished it in, I think, two sittings. So, yes, I really enjoyed it. The second book that I read this month is A Prayer for Crown Shy, which is a sequel to The Psalm of Wild Bill, and it is a very unique and cozy science fiction book wherein a monk and a robot have a conversation with each other. These conversations are really simple, yet they are very deep as well and very heartfelt. So I really enjoyed this duology, and I think you should also read. Third book that I read this month was Lonely Castle in the Mirror, and I was really looking forward to reading it. I had very high expectations from this book, but it was really disappointing. It is actually based on a real problem that Japan is facing, wherein the mental health of the adolescents in Japan is actually deteriorating. And it is partially due to the course load that they have, and also because the instances of bullying that they face in the school. So, although the premise was really serious, but this book failed to deliver, I found the story very slow and I couldn't really empathize with the protagonist. So, fourth book that I read was the Book of Everlasting Things by Ajal Malhotra. And as I said earlier, I don't know what I was waiting for. This is one of the beautiful love stories that I've read, and it's based around the time of partition. And they have really highlighted the art of perfume and ether making, and the descriptions were really beautiful. And as somebody who really loves perfumes, it was kind of a course in the basics of perfume making, and I really loved this book, so I think you should also read. The last book that I've read this month is Babel, and it took me 10 days to finish this book, initially because I found it very slow, but it picked up in the second part, which is like after 250 pages. And I appreciate the amount of work that would have gone into writing this book, and the amount of research. It is full of history, it is full of colonialism, it is full of magic, it is full of language, and the scope of this book is really vast. And if you have the patience to read 500 pages, then I think you should absolutely give it a try. What was your favorite read of the month of August? Any book that you would want to recommend me? Do let me know in the comments.